So let us take a very small example here. Let us suppose that the internet TCP, that is the transmission control protocol, specified the size of the MTU as 750 byte. This is just an example. Okay, 750 byte is the maximum, is the MTU. What is MTU? That is the maximum protocol data unit size that can be delivered from one point to another or source to destination. So there are two scenarios here. First scenario is you have 1600 byte and you have to send it. But the MTU is 750. So the value has to be less than 750. So the best way is to divide this 1600 so that it becomes three parts, three fragments. 750 bytes, 750 bytes, 100 byte. So 750, 750, 100, they all are less than 750 bytes. So this is called fragmentation. Now there is one more scenario. For example, you have only 600 byte. So you have to just send 600 byte and it is lower than 750 byte. So as a single segment, if the system sends packets within MTU size, they are transmitted as a single frame in the network connection. However, packets much smaller than the MTU may increase the delay and cause network inefficiency. Reassembling packets in such a case, in this case 600 byte, is not required. Okay? And in the first part 1600 byte, there will be problem like, first you have to fragment it, then you have to send them, and then you have to organize them at the destination. So I hope you have a fair idea about MTU now. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.